How to change app language on stock Android 15. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now here you can search for the app language option or scroll down up to system on your stock Android device. Tap on the system. Now tap on languages. Here you can find the app languages option. So set the language for each app. In the latest Android 40 and Android 15 device only support this app languages feature. So make sure your device running the Android 14 or 15 version to use this feature. Here you can set the language for specific app you want to use. So tap the app language. Here you can see the available application and languages. So select the application you want to change default language. Now here we select the Chrome browser. Now by default set the system default language. If you want to change language, here you can see the list of available languages on your device. So select the language you want to use. Here we select this Hindi Google Chrome language on your device. Now you can use Google Chrome browser on your device as a Hindi language on your device like this. Now you can see the Hindi in my Google Chrome language. So you can set language for specific app on your Android device using this tutorial. That's it. If you like it, share it.